Magic is fascinating as always. It is apparently influencing events using mysterious and supernatural forces. But in this video, we are going to talk about essential nutrients that we are calling magic because it also can influence events like condition of your body, although not in a mysterious way, but we often overlook the magical power of nutrients. Wherever you are sitting, or walking alongside the street, or just laying in the bed, you are surrounded by billions of disease-causing virus bacteria. And if you are that guy who has this weak immune system, that person will get easily affected by these pathogens. But with the power of these magic nutrients, this weak person can easily become a strong immune person with invisible shield protecting him from virus and bacteria. And in this video, we are going to talk about what are these magic nutrients that will help us in building strong immunity, protecting us from virus, bacteria and pathogen causing diseases. Hello guys, this is Parvez Ahmed Shaun and welcome to our channel Kaizen. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the essential magic nutrients that we barely talk about but has huge impact on our body. Please subscribe our channel and push the bell icon so you get all the updated informative videos from our channel. So let's see what is the first magic nutrients. The first magic nutrients that helps in immunity boosting is zinc. Zinc is a mineral and daily around 10 mg is needed, although the amount varies a little from person to person and from gender and age. It is also important for enzyme functions. Enzymes are basically proteins that helps in or facilitates the conversion of chemical reaction inside our body. It is also helpful in reducing risk of common cold, respiratory infections and diseases. And it does it by inhibiting virus replication, which causes those infections and also increases the innate immunity, so you doesn't get infected so frequently. So everything seems good. Nah, almost 1 in 4 people is zinc deficient and older people are at high risk group. And in the study it has been found that around 30% of old people are zinc deficient. So if you have a family member of 4 people and one of them is aged person, he or she likely to be zinc deficient. Also, there are other signs and symptoms of zinc deficient person. If you have a family member who suffers frequently from cold and flu, he or she might be zinc deficient because zinc deficiency increases the risk of respiratory infections and diseases including pneumonia. It also decreases the sense of smell and tastes. And often aged person have this because of their zinc deficiency along with other factors. It also increases the time of wound healing. This all happens due to the weak immunity. So if we have sufficient level of zinc inside us, we might boost our immunity so that it doesn't causes infections and fights back infection causing pathogens. So I'm not telling you to have zinc supplement to boost zinc intake. Rather, have foods that are high in zinc, especially red meat. Red meat is highly delicious and 100 grams of red meat can provide almost half of the daily need of zinc. And other part is whole grains. If you are vegan, then no worries. Whole grain can fulfill the zinc of you. And other part is milk. Milk products like yogurt, cheeses have high concentration of zinc. Also beans, chickpeas and nuts are also good source of zinc. So try to have them in your daily food habit and have this in a daily basis for boosting up your immunity. So you will be a strong person with high immunity or boosted immunity. Remember, Buddha said, every human being is the author of his own health or diseases. So take food that are high in nutrients like zinc and boost your immunity. In the second video, we are going to talk about the second magic nutrients that will help in boosting your immunity.